Sup, boys?
What is going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Today, I'm at Jacob's house. I'm with Aiden. We're having a sleepover. Anyway, sorry guys, but tomorrow we are going to FUNFIELDS. I'm gonna stick my GoPro on the rides for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna be meeting Noah and maybe other people. I don't know, but enjoy.
Crowd control.
It's a bit late, but we're making mac and cheese now. Well, I'm not making it, they are. Look how well I did. It is out of the oven now, and what is the time? It's 1:45 AM. Big bowler. That looks juicy as.
Well, this is romantic.
What is going on, guys? It is the next day. We are like, at least me and Aiden are dead. We had literally 3 hours of sleep break. Went back to sleep, and now it's like 8:15, and we are heading off to the station to meet Mia, who's gonna give us a lift to FUNFIELDS. We have it all to ourselves, basically. Go. Oh, I thought you were gonna do it. Oh, that's sick. What? Give us a. Oh my god, you would. Thank you for the lift. Alright, we're into FUNFIELDS. We didn't want to buy a locker, so we got a bike lock, and we're gonna hang it to the ceiling. There we go. So while we're dry, we're just gonna go on the dry rides first. So we're gonna start off with the pirate ship. I'm gonna hide my GoPro down here. Gonna get into bathers, so we're gonna go on the water slides right now. Okay guys, we just got real sun spot. Going on the gravity wave. You ready? It's going to be a bit harder to sneak the GoPro onto this ride. It's not a 4-person ride, it's solo. And Jacob was hiding it in his pockets. I don't know how I got the GoPro on that one. But anyway, I don't even know if you could see anything because there's so much splashes everywhere. I couldn't see anything. Hopefully you can. Waiting for the waves to start. Nice.